I recently received a question from one of my subscribers, and this is what the question said. E-zines, CDs, teleclasses, ebooks, group coaching calls, books, and more books on the same topics. Who has the time to buy and read all this stuff? And how many books on the same topic does our world really need? Are we writing books just to say, I have a book, interview me on the radio? We all want to expand, but there is no escaping the essence of the one on one coaching that can change a person's life and make a difference. Is that not the reason that most of us came to coaching in the first place? So the question is really, can products and courses replace coaching? As we're all striving to create more products and courses and tools, who's going to be doing all the one on one coaching? And is there still place for that? My name is Milana Leshinsky. I've been in a coaching space since 2000, so for over 2 decades. And I learned a lot about what clients are looking for, how they get results, exactly what you need to create a successful group coaching business. And I also created a coaching platform called Coaching Genie. It's an all-in-one tool that allows you to deliver your programs with simplicity. To learn more, go to coachinggenie.com. And also be sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to learn about delivering awesome programs, group coaching, creating multiple streams of coaching revenue, and building your business beyond one-on-one coaching. So this is a great question that came from a subscriber. And I will be honest with you, I had similar concerns a few years ago. What I discovered on my journey to building a coaching business is that creating a course does not mean that you have to stop coaching clients personally. The purpose of creating courses and group coaching programs is, number one, to create credibility on a certain subject. And number two, leveraging yourself by creating different ways of getting the benefit of your expertise. And number three, growing a company that doesn't rely on your presence to generate income. In other words, you don't have to stop coaching and start creating courses for the sake of leveraging or scaling your business. I am simply suggesting that capturing your coaching process or your expertise into a course or a product allows you to offer it to people who can't afford coaching, maybe not ready to hire a coach, or don't fit your ideal client profile. So it gives you a choice in your business, and it gives your customers a choice of who they want to work with, right? So the need for individual coaching will never disappear. But from a business building perspective, creating products and courses gives you freedom and gives your customers a choice. And it also gives you a choice on how you want to support clients and create income. So that's really the conversation between courses and coaching. It will never go away because there will always be people who would like to work with you one-on-one, who want that higher premium level of support. And then there will always be people who would rather buy a book. And that's a reality. So think about that and let me know what you believe and how you see this issue. And if you're not using Coaching Genie yet, go to coachinggenie.com and check it out. It's very easy to use. You can set up your first coaching program or course in a few minutes. So if you're ready to start offering coaching programs but feel a little bit scared or intimidated by the technology out there, you will love Coaching Genie. So go to coachinggenie.com and check out the free demo. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.